You fuckers will not believe what has happened in my home. You guys already know my feelings on ducks and Alexa. Alexa's Skynet, we already know that. It moved into my home, probably collects my thoughts. My habits. Probably knows every nook and cranny of my home. Well, I'm now under the suspicion that it controls the brain of my husband. I don't know whether it's completely copied my husband and got rid of him and replaced him with a perfect copy. Jesus' hair and beard and all, which is impressive all in itself. They even got his abs, which is adorable. It is absolutely impressive. But I think they've just used microwaves or some shit and have just beamed thoughts into his head. Because nobody can literally get that ginger color mixed in with anything else's beard. That is a feat of magic all on its own that only my husband can pull off. Anyways, they made my husband give Skynet legs within my home. Yeah. Yesterday, late yesterday, I should say, in the afternoon, my husband bought a Roomba. He put it into place. He charged it. He pretty much gave Skynet legs. I don't feel safe. Who would? First he gave us Alexa, listening to our every moves, stealing our thoughts, exposing us to Skynet. Now he's given us the Roomba. Hell, it might try and kill us. Lord knows. This thing not only sweeps, bitch, it takes itself back home and empties itself. It could suck up one of my children, cut it into pieces, and put it in a bag. I will never even know my child is dead. It might tell me, your child ran away because it hates you. And with no body, there is no crime. Skynet would get away scot-free. And it would clean up the mess after itself. No one would know. I fear for this. My mother-in-law lives in the basement. She also bought one. The only refuge we have is on the top floor. Yes, we do have Alexis up there on the top floor where we sleep. But at least there isn't a Roomba. But how long till he puts one up there? God knows. God knows. I just don't understand why the robots have to take over the whole world. Why can't they just give us our homes? Elon Musk is right. I said something about first they will mop our floors and then they'll eat our pickles. I don't know. Elon Musk says a lot of shit. But it was mop our floors, eat our pickles, and smack the asses of our women. I don't know. Elon Musk is weird. You know what I mean? He says a lot of weird ass shit. But he said something about AI stealing the world and killing skinny people. But he hates AI too. I'm telling you. When Skynet decides to become self-aware, Roombas is going to take away the brush inside and make it a switchblade. Probably already is. Probably already is. Y'all don't want to listen to me now. A lot of people thought I was kidding about the ducks. I was right. Ducks are so cute. Till they get teeth. Oh no, Judson. Ducks don't have teeth. Ah, they bit my hand off. Because ducks got teeth, jackass. Roombas can't kill you. Ask my dog. It tried to vacuum him up last night. And in the Roomba's defense, was trying to map the floor in JD's. He's not really good at standing very fast. And he's sleepy and fat. Well, he's not really fat anymore, but his head is huge. You know what I'm saying. But as far as JD is concerned, that thing's a murderous disc from hell. If that thing kills me, can you not tell anybody? Can you say I was taken out by like a nuclear cheetah or something? It's kind of like a radioactive spider, but it's like a cheetah that's like nuclear, and with like one bite, it takes you out because it's poisonous nuclear venom. I just think it would be so much more cool. It would be super crucial. Like, oh my god, that's such a good death. Why didn't I think of going out like that? Not only did she fight with a cheetah, but a cheetah with nuclear venom. I sit around and think about the way I want to die, okay? Oh my god, who would ever do something like that? Whoever fights a nuclear cheetah has got to be like, have the biggest balls. You're damn right I fought a nuclear cheetah. In reality town, I would never fight a nuclear cheetah. But could you just say I did? You know how pussyfied it sounds? She got killed by a Roomba. I wonder if anyone has ever died from a Roomba. Seriously. If I do, please don't let anyone know that I did. Oh shit, please don't. Anyways. So I have Skynet with legs in my house. Just thought I'd share. Because I'm in the mood to share today. Because today could be the last day of my life. That's so sad. If today's the last day of my life, I spent most of it in fucking therapy. Talking about my feelings. talk about my smileys. I'm sorry, I just wanted to talk about my new friend. My new friend in my home. Skynet. I might as well get a gander of geese and stick them in the backyard. Then I have everything that wants to kill me in one place. Life is just shit. 2020 needs to just go away. But I guess it doesn't listen. It just won't go away. It just won't fuck off. As much as you ask 2020 to fuck off, or to go home 2020, you're drunk and high on meth. It just won't. It's like, and you know what? I wanted to drive home anyways. I drive home the best when I'm drunk and high on meth too. So I'm gonna drive home. That's pretty much what 2020 is like. I drive the best when I'm drunk and high on meth. That's the kind of person 2020 is starting to act like. That's 2020. 2020 is that guy at the party. You need a ride home? Didn't you drink a bunch of beers and smoke a lot of meth? Yeah, but you know what? I drive the best when I'm stoned. Come on, I'll give you a ride home. That is 2020. That is how I feel about that. And I think 2020 should fuck off, but it won't. It just won't. But anyways. My husband gave Skynet legs. And I think it should fuck off and die. But it'll probably kill me. But if it does kill me, don't tell anyone. If it kills me, we're going to tell people I was fighting a nuclear cheetah. Because it sounds like the most boss-ass way to die. And I don't want to be the first person to die from a Roomba. I can't go out like that. It would be so fucking sad. So fucking sad. I can't be that guy.